Okay, I'm back and let me delete all the partitions which we made. So let's clear the screen first. Clear fdisk slash /sdf slash /sdb, delete, right, cmsdc, delete, right, cmsdd, delete, right. Part probe to make that effect instantly change. Def sdb, def sdc, def sdt. Okay, now I'm going to clear and make new partition stb, new primary, first, default is default, and here I'm going to give 48 GB, 49 GB. Let's try that. Okay, it's done. Right. Okay, it has made the partition. I'll try again. Another one, stc, new primary, first, default, plus 49 GB. Right, same for std, new for new partition, p for primary, 1 for default, default enter. Here gave the sector 49 GB. Right, part probe, def stb 1, def sdc 1, I think stb, def sdc, def std. That's it. Now check those partitions are made. Ready. So vg create volume group stb def slash stb1 successfully created. Vg create fra def stc1 physical volume successfully created. Same way vg create roc RSC REC recovery def STT 1 created. Right, now let's go back to front end volumes. Here you can see the volumes, data change, volume groups, add volume is there, data change. Now here give the same name data and give the full space, and here give block SCC, FC, etc. Create. The partition has been made, volume has been made. Good. FRA, do the same for everyone. Add volumes, change, FRA, block ICKZ, create. Good. Add volume, recovery, change, recovery, create. Great, the volumes is ready. Now let's go and share. Okay, now go back to stat volumes, create ICKC target, learn mapping, network, add ICKZ. It did that. learn mapping, map them, map, map, map. So network ACL, local network. Here add the node rack.takra.com, the IP address of rack 1, node 1, select the name and update. Same way make for rack 2.takra.com, 192.168.1.161, select same subnet, update. Okay, I'll go to share, same again, volumes, ICQC target, allow, update. So now you can search this through. Okay, once it is updated, go back to openfiler command prompt, cd etc ls vi. We need to find initiator, ini, initiator deny. See, it has added that into deny. Delete this line, and control save. We are good now. So let's discovery, set the discovery mode, find that command, how to discover ICQC target. We just need discovery command, and here it is, ICQC, the IP address and the same thing. Now let's go to our root 1234, clear, cd, clear, paste that and change this IP address to openfiler IP 192.168.1.150. That's there. Let's go to node 2, do the same here. How long it has been? Okay, 7 minutes. I have to watch the time. Root 1234, clear, cd, clear, same command, paste it here, change the IP address 192.168.1.150. Good. And we need one more. We need hyphen no login there. We need one more command to add that. Here you can find it. No login. Nope, it's not there. There it is. I think automatic. Let's copy this and paste. We want to change the IP address of the node 192.168.50 and copy this IQN, copy, paste it here. No records found. What is this reason? I think I lost the command. Let me. Okay, so once we discover the target, we need to log in into SQL target and let's check if it is showing. There you go, it's showing our hard disk. Let's try this on node 2 as well. It's okay. Disk -L. There you go, it's showing there as well. Now we can make the partitions here. Let's see how many partitions are there, then we can configure them. fdisk-L stb fdisk fdisk dev/stb new primary default and default plus 10G new primary default 20 GB, sorry, out of range, default plus 20 GB new primary default plus 20 GB. It's creating different. Let's make 10 GB. Okay, write that partition part probe d/stb. okay, now fdisk-L, you can see the partitions has been made. Now we will make same on fdisk dev/stb stc new primary default oh no, delete new primary default plus 20 GB new primary yes first sector 10 GB new primary default 10 GB. right, part probe SSDC fdisk-L. now we got SDC2. now let's make recovery 2020. we still have some free space, I think. So let's make a complete partition. fdisk-dev/stt new primary default right, part probe dev/std disk-L create. now clear this. now change directory to oracleasm tool. which is in cd etc/inet.p. as you can see, if you list ls oracle star, you can see oracle asm. So before installing, we need to configure it. Oracle asm configure -i. Default user will be grid. Default group will be install. Start the library on boot, yes. Start the disk on boot, yes. Okay, now oracle asm create disk for booting disk. We need to identify first those partitions. Disk -l. So before doing that, let's change the permissions for those. Now change directory to cd dev ls/sdb star. Now change the ownership to change ownership -r on grid on install stb1 stb2 stb3, or it's a grid, sorry, there has been typo. Grid, same way, list sdc plus sdt. So we have chown -r grid install stc1 stc2 stc3 and sdd1. chmod -r 775 stb1 stb2 stb3. Okay, I haven't configured that. stb3 stc1 stc2 stc3 sdd1. chown -r grid install stb3. Same in typo. What is this happening? Right, let's change that again. stb3. Good, we are good now. These are the partitions. Okay, clear disk -l. We made 3 partitions, 10 GB, 20 GB, 10 GB. So voting disk should be SDC2, SDB2, SDC2, yeah, SDC1 is 10 GB, SDC2 is let's see. Create disk, voting disk, disk1 SDC day/SDC1 SDB1. SDB2 SDB3 and create disk data SDC1 fail initializing disk. No idea what for. We will see that. One, stay with 2, stay with 3, now FRA std. They won't create FRA right away. oracleasm init. It's good. Oh, oracleasm scandisk, oracleasm list disks. Okay, something happened and disks are not showing up. Let's mount it. The partitions are showing. Let's do that again. Switch mode. This happens every day. Okay, let's scan now. Let's see from the node 2. etc init.t oracleasm and oh sorry, we need to configure it first. Configure fni great install yes and its status. it's not showing for some reason. Okay, after doing some troubleshoot, I got my disk recognized by ASM. What I did, I went to USR sbin. Okay, sorry for that. So yeah, I went into USR sbin and Oracle ASM init, sorry, spin, right? Then you can create disk disk name like data, and name the partition dev like we created earlier, hdb1, enter, and then again is data1 is dev hdb2, data3 hdb3. Like that you can create voting disk 1 hdc1, voting 6 2 hdc2, voting disk 3 hdc3. After creating disk, you can run this command again, scandisk. Okay, I'm giving an error. What is giving an error? ORACLE, right? Then the last command, disk C. You can see the data. So yeah, now our racks are ready. Notes. Let me go to this drive and see this. etc init oracleasm list disk. Both the nodes can see the disk partitions, available disks. So now we can begin the installation. So let me log out from root, and log in from grid. Oh no, let me go back. Yep, let me log in back. Simple command, I need to run from root. Xsource plus, that's it. Log out, login as grid. I have seen a lot of tutorials on YouTube. Setting up bridge network. It is good for certain types of installations. Okay, let's jump back to U02. Great. Let me change the resolution. Back, display, data, apply, keep changes. What happened? I don't know. What is happening? Let me pause the video and we will continue in the next part.